Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode number 214 of Trading Talk. In this episode, one of our senior traders, Matt, builds a strategy around a popular range breakout that he's developed. However, this week, what he's going to show you is a different technique to define the ranging market. Now, it's most often the techniques used and not the technical indicators which can make the real difference in your trading. And this technique that Matt's going to show you today can be utilized in many different ways. It's a really simple strategy that gets some really nice results, especially on the yen, so keep an eye out for that. Something else to keep an eye out for is the introduction that Perry Kaufman did for us while we were building his models for this year's Algo conference. We'll put the link in the description below. Now watch that and you'll get a sneak peek at the initial backtested portfolio that we put together with one of his models. But of course, if you want to see the full final version, you'll have to come to the conference itself on November 27. If you want to watch this Trading Talk episode in full and you haven't already got access to the Trading Talk series, just purchase it by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description if you're watching this video on YouTube. It's that easy. Now, to get updated when a new episode's been released, all you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hope you enjoy this episode of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.